going to show you how to clean and maintain your oven. As with the stove, we're just going to start cleaning our oven by wiping it down with a sponge and some very hot water. This is going to get a lot of the food pieces up from the bottom. Particularly if you've got things that have fallen down, say you've made some pizza and you've got cheese down at the bottom. If you have an electric stove, you can lift up the coil a little bit. You might be tempted to use oven cleaner, but a lot of self-cleaning ovens do not work well with oven cleaner. And besides, it's a very, very caustic chemical. It can cause problems if you have children in your household with asthma. It can cause breathing problems, the fumes from it. So you want to be very careful as to what you use. And if you had something spatter in the oven, maybe you're making your Thanksgiving or Christmas turkey and you've got a little bit of grease, then go ahead and use some all-purpose cleaner, particularly on the glass part of the oven door. You just want to make sure that anything that you use, you rinse thoroughly, because you don't want that to be baked into your food the next time you're cooking something.